Brian, just forget it.
Stop that. You need to take care of yourself.
Got Mac patched up. Let's take a look at you now. Oh, looks pretty nasty right about here. So, it hurts when you breathe?
Alex, you made it. Charlotte, right?
Put some ice on it.
I'm sorry you had to see that fight. What a terrible first impression.
Dad, I'm taking Gabe to the station. We need a first aid kit that doesn't predate the discovery of bacteria.
It's fine. I don't need to go.
Ryan knows what he's doing now. You just go with him.
Alex, I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay.
Well, there goes my bartender and my backup bartender.
I love that. It's a falling star?
Yeah. Or rising. Depends on the day, I guess.
So, what's it doing today?
Falling pretty damn hard.
Yeah?
I mean, I guess. But it's amazing to be here.
I heard Ethan gave you an issue of his comic. He obviously thinks you're really cool.
I know literally nothing about kids, but he seems like one of the good ones.
I appreciate that. He's my favorite person. By the way, thanks for telling us about the mine. Ethan's not allowed up there anymore.
Yeah, no problem. I hope you won't be mad at me.
You did the right thing.
Beef pie special. Watch the gravy.
Jed, you didn't have to.
Now, Ryan said you're skipping dinner. No starving artists on my watch.
I do have to get going. I'm making some pieces for the spring festival, and they have to be done tonight. Sorry I couldn't talk longer.
Oh, that's okay.
So glad you're here, Alex. I'm looking forward to getting to know you.
Yeah, same.
Bye. Thanks for supper.
Yep. So I'm short-staffed at the moment. Gabe tells me you've worked at a restaurant before. Couple years experience as a server?
Gabe's full of shit. I've never worked in a restaurant before.
Never stops that one.
But I would love the work, if experience isn't an issue.
Want to give it a try? It's not too busy right now. And we keep it informal around here.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. So we have a few folks that need checking on. Ducky and Diane over there. Steph over here. There's a table in the back that needs clearing also. You can give the food orders to me, and I'll handle anyone here at the bar. All right?
Got it.
It's really nice to have you here, Alex.
Thanks.
Guess I'm a server now. Let's see how this goes.
My dad was in the service.
I should check on that table. Can I get you two anything?
Miss Chan, here at last to relieve our suspense.
Hi.
I am Reginald McAllister III, Ducky to friends, former entrepreneur, now retired. And this young woman is Diane.
Hey there.
Nice to meet you. I didn't realize that...
That we all knew you were coming. Yes, Gabe is generous with both friendship and information.
You're from Portland, right? I moved here from DC 6 months ago. How you finding the small town thing?
I didn't really know what to expect, but it's kind of perfect. It feels like a home.
I know. I really thought I would hate it. Then I saw the mountains, met some people, and now I'm never leaving.
Diane is a geologist, recently working as a process manager for Typhon Mining.
I'm glad there's another newbie around here, too.
Can I get you anything?
Oh, yeah, we're super hungry. I'd love a pie special with fries.
Cheeseburger with mushrooms, and my usual to drink. Jed will know what to do.
All right, I'll go put that order in.
Thanks. My dad was in the service.
Miss Chen?
My 2 more for the impossibly nice Havenites crowd.
Haven is nice. Just wish it felt like home.
Hope we both get there soon.
Behind that mountain man beard, Jed's so obviously a sweet guy.
Damn boys, always fighting. Time to grow up.
Should have seen Gabe go at it with Dad. He's come a long way.
Hey, Jed.
Yeah,
I've got an order from Ducky and Diane.
go ahead.
One cheeseburger with mushrooms.
Uh-huh, and?
One pie special with fries.
Ducky asked for his usual?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he's fond of a particular rye whiskey. I keep a personal bottle for him. Oh, that's odd. I don't see it. Oh, now wait. I bet Ducky took that bottle upstairs last night. Yeah, he and Gabe went on carousing long after closing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Serves him right if you ask me, but feel free to go upstairs and look for it. I'm sure he'd be grateful. Oh, if you can't find it, Deputy Pike was with them. Might have some idea. He's usually in here around now. Probably arriving soon.
There must be something around the Black Lantern that can help me find Ducky's prized whiskey.
Behind that mountain man beard, Jed's so obviously a sweet guy.
Ducky? Jed thinks you took your whiskey up to Gabe's yesterday. Do you know where you might have left it?
I remember absolutely nothing of the night.
Really?
Maybe check your phone. Did you take any pictures? Call anyone?
Have a look.
For goodness sake. How do I access the photos on this thing? Nice. Poor Ducky. I shouldn't be reading this.
Sorry, nothing useful.
Well, thanks for letting me know.
My dad was in the service.
Sounds like Ducky knows Gabe pretty well.
trials later this week?
You kidding? I've been waiting for this all year.
I have a few favorites we can start with, and then we'll go from there.
Teller's Peak?
Yep, and Mount Huron, and the Devil's Tail.
Amazing. I love Maine, but I need to hike some real mountains.
But first, you're gonna get the full Haven experience, starting right here in the famous Black Lantern.
It's pretty eclectic.
Do you think Mom and Dad will like it? I was thinking of bringing them here too.
Oh, yeah. Old wood is Dad's favorite aesthetic.
So, how was getting here? Longer drive than you thought?
I actually got kinda lost.
Did you ask for directions?
I wouldn't need directions if the signage didn't stink.
You're just stubborn.
Hey, I am not.
I have some advice.
This one's from yesterday. Hold up. It was Colonel Ducky on Gabe's couch with the bottle. Damn. I wonder if the bullet's still in there. Rest in peace, mister. Guess these were for mining. Maybe I'll see a circus one day. Once I'm better with crowds. Is there anything this woman can't do? Unusually personable staff. Nicely done, big bro. Shit. Now Mac's scared. At least he's not freaking out anymore. He won't make me lose control.
You can't be serious.
Yeesh. Glad I'm not a 19th century miner. Haven seems pretty proud of its mining history. Jed asked me to clear that off. G-A-B. That's gotta be Gabe, right? G-A-B. That's gotta be Gabe, right?
Idiot. You're gonna lose her. You're gonna lose her, and it's all your fault.
At least he's right about something. Wow, I messed Mac up pretty good. How mysterious. Coupons for weed? What a time to be alive. Haven seems pretty serious about this festival. Lives? Jed is a real hero.
Holy shit.
Can I talk to you real quick?
No way.
Come on, please. Listen, what happened upstairs was fucked up, right? From both of us.
Where are you going with this?
But Riley's headed over here. She's pretty heated. I don't think it helps to recap all the gory details, you know?
So you're saying you want me to lie to cover your ass?
No, just let me handle it. Look, she's gonna break up with me otherwise. We've been together 4 years. She is the best thing that's ever happened to me. So please, help me out.
I don't know, man.
Shit.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god. Look at your face.
No, it's okay.
Don't even. What were you thinking? Where's Gabe?
Why do you give a shit?
Because my boyfriend just got into a fight with him. I swear. This is it. You better have a good explanation or we're done.
It's not my fault. I just wanted to talk to the guy.
About what?
About you! About why you guys are meeting behind my back.
Okay. So how did the fight happen?
The bastard sucker punched me. Okay, not exactly sucker punched, but he definitely started it.
Oh God. Were you there too? Yeah, I was there. Max telling you a whole lot of bullshit.
You know what? That doesn't even surprise me anymore. So what really happened?
Riley.
Mac barged in, accused Gabe of sleeping with you, sucker punched him, and then kicked him while he was down.
Riley, listen.
What happened to Mac's face?
I did that.
Oh, good. It sounds like he deserved it. Thanks for telling me the truth, Alex.
Wait, are we okay?
Are you fucking serious? I'm so embarrassed by you right now.
But are we still together?
What do you think, you fucking idiot? No.
Alex Chen? Assaulting Mac Loudon on your first day here, huh? I'm Jason Pike, the deputy sheriff. I'm gonna have to take you in for questioning.
Are you saying I'm under arrest?
Your face. You should see your face. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm only kidding. Nobody's in trouble here. Gabe and I just like to prank each other.
I've never been pranked by a cop before. You definitely got me.
Thanks for being a good sport. Can I buy you a drink?
Maybe. I'm working right now.
Well, I'll be at the bar. You want one, you just come by, okay?
Christ, she did that to that guy's face? Steering clear.
Aw, I'm already making friends.
Wow. Tetanus, anyone?
I hope Brian's got better supplies. Wait, Deputy Pike. He's the one who was hanging out with Ducky and Gabe last night.
Damn, was that prank out of line? Did I come on too strong?
It was bold. I'll give you that. Wait, Deputy Pike. He's the one who was hanging out with Ducky and Gabe last night.
Hey, Alex.
Were you hanging out with Ducky and Gabe last night?
Who told?
So, Ducky apparently lost his favorite whiskey. Possibly upstairs?
Oh, no.
You remember seeing him with it?
When I left, he was still down here. Oh, but you know what? You should check Gabe's wall of shame. Might have some incriminating evidence.
Actually, I did see Ducky up there.
I knew it. Well, worth looking again. Could be some clues.
I'm ready to take you up on that drink.
All right. Wait, hey, Jed, can we get,
Thanks.
And keep it quick. She's on the clock.
You know, your brother's been talking about you getting here for months.
I'm starting to get the sense.
I even remember exactly the day he found your number. He was telling everybody in this place.
Really?
Yeah. Pretty heartwarming stuff.
Well, I've got to get back to work.
Later, Alex. Good talking to you.
I can't help it. I still tense up whenever I see a uniform.
Typhon's not not a bad company once you get used to how they operate.
Right. Yeah, that's what people keep telling me.
Takes a minute to learn the ropes, though. Huh?
Yeah, I guess. The way they do things is just so... I don't know.
Idiosyncratic.
I got written up for leaving my phone on. It wasn't even on me. But I guess it started vibrating in my locker when I was on duty.
Yeah, they're sticklers about that stuff. It's a security concern.
I mean, sure, but it's not like the CIA or whatever. We blow the tops off mountains for a living.
Look, I hear you, kid. I've been jumping through Typhon's hoops since Noah built the Ark. But things are the way they are.
Sure, I know. I'm just venting. Really, I like my job.
And the Oscar goes, too. Don't fret. I'm not going to turn you in for sedition or anything.
Thanks.
Don't mention it. If I had to hold in every gripe I have about Typhon, I'd have popped like a damn balloon by now.
Starting over from scratch like this? Fucking terrifying is what it is.
You're telling me. Oh, is that really Ryan?
My extensive wilderness map reading knowledge tells me that there is a whole lot of wilderness around here.
Only $45 for the chance to get mauled by a bear.
That looks radioactive.
That's the girl from the record store. Steph.
Alex, right? I'm Steph.
Hey. Just seeing if you need food or anything.
Oh no, I'm good. Thanks though. Sorry I couldn't hang out at the record store. I've got some time now though if you want to chat.
So, are you, here with somebody? Or...
That's Ryan's stuff. Apparently he ditched me for Gabe.
They went to get first aid.
Being a hero again. Ryan's always doing that. It's a Lucan family thing. Have you heard about Jed's rescue?
I saw some stuff on the walls.
People here still talk about it. The tourism board wanted to make a movie.
I can't imagine. Alex wants an earload of Haven trivia just now.
Sorry, Jed. He's so modest, it's ridiculous.
Is that record store inventory?
No, it's character stats. Do you know what a LARP is?
I've heard the term before.
Live action roleplay. It's like a tabletop role-playing game, but acted out in real life. Costumes, foam weapons, beanbag spells. It's great.
Gabe was talking about a LARP with Ethan.
Yeah, it's next week. They're coming with me. It's their first time. I'm so excited. Would you ever want to join us sometime?
Sure, I'd try it. If you and Gabe both like it, it must be super fun.
Awesome.
I should get back to work.
Okay.
I've done what Jed asked me to do. I should see if he needs anything else.
Hey, what's up?
Is that your shot? What is that?
This is bedazzled kiwi schnapps. No one's ever ordered it, so Gabe's trying to get rid of it with the jukebox game.
What's a jukebox game?
It's like a short version of 20 questions, where you're trying to guess a song, guess wrong, you have to take the shot. Ryan and I were going to play. You want to take his place?
Dude, you're on.
Yes. So, I'll pick a song. You have 5 yes or no questions before you have to guess it.
Okay.
Got one. Jukebox is all yours. So, what do you want to ask me?
I should flip through these and see what might be good to ask.
So how long have you been a fan?
So, I guess we're breaking the yes or no questions only rule?
Can you handle it?
Okay, how long have I been a fan? Maybe a year? Honestly, I just have a crush on the bassist.
So now I know it's a band and not a solo artist.
Touché, Chen.
Why do you like this song?
The lyrics crack me up. Even the title's pretty goofy. Reminds me of fun times, I guess.
Goofy title, you say? When was the last time you listened to this song?
Like 2 days ago. Gabe was working, so Shar and I put it on and danced like crazy to rub it in.
That doesn't tell me anything.
What did you expect? You've got 2 questions left.
Are there people on the cover?
No? Yeah, no. Last question.
Yeah, all right, I know. Is there any punctuation in the song title?
Nope.
Okay.
That's your 5. Ready to guess?
Yeah. Let me look through one last time. Here's what I know. No punctuation in the song title. No people on the cover. The song is by a group, not a solo artist. The title's kind of goofy. And it could be a dance song.
Think that's enough to figure it out?
We'll see. Is it that one?
No, it's not. Sorry.
All right. Glitter drink me.
It's not as bad as it looks. How was it?
Oh my god. That's like corn syrup mixed with paint chips? I don't know.
Hey, thanks for playing. I'm really glad we did.
Me too. I should get back to work.
Okay.
I've done what Jed asked me to do. I should see if he needs anything else. Gabe's got pretty cool friends.
Hey.
That was actually pretty fun. What a class act.
Thanks for driving me home, Pike.
You're the nicest cop I've ever met.
Whoa! Hey! Great. Another wipeout.
Pike is a funny name. Like the fish. Officer Fish.
Jason, Pike is my...
Holy shit, is it snowing?
Yep. Sure is.
Man, poor Pike. Gabe, just do what your boss says. All right, let's see if I can find Ducky's whiskey up here. Might as well check in there. Ooh, now I know where the ramen is. No whiskey, though. Maybe Ducky left his whiskey up there? Nope. Nothing. Ducky's whiskey could be one of those. This all looks really fancy, but no rye whiskey. If Ducky fell asleep here last night, maybe the bottle's nearby. Ha! Found this upstairs. In Gabe's couch?
What a relief. Many thanks, Alex.
My pleasure, Ducky. Can I pour you a glass?
No. Allow me. To Miss Alex Chen, a most tenacious detective.
To Alex.
Cheers.
I've done what Jed asked me to do. I should see if he needs anything else.
My dad was in the service.
Venison and leek pie. I need to try that.
Are you finished up with everything you want to do?
Yeah, I took care of everything you mentioned. Is there anything else you'd like me to do?
Nah, the boys should be back soon. Well, speak of the devil. How you feeling?
Not great. Not awful.
I got Alex covering for you.
For real? We need to talk. I'll be on the rooftop, okay?
Okay.
I think that's enough for today. You did great work. You'll be a damn fine addition to our team. Not to mention, you can sure hold your liquor. You can't keep an injured man waiting. You better go upstairs.
Thanks.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Time to talk to Gabe.